What up, guys? We outside.
Hey guys, it's Crystal here with the AJ team.
And Alan Johnson with the AJ team. And guess what I got fresh off the presses?
Fresh off the press, he's got a Quartz update. So, out. What is going on with Quartz District? And actually, what's happening across the street?
Right. So that's the question we're getting the most, right?
Yeah.
What's going on across the street from the port? So there are two different spots that are happening that are people are talking about. Number one is nothing exciting. It's a stormwater
Tension
pond. So that big hole on the other side, that's where some of the detour is going to happen. That's just a place where they have to like make sure that all the storm water goes. So it's a big pond there.
Yeah.
And then over by Elm Farm is a luxury apartment high rise. I think it's like just under 250 luxury mid-size apartments, 2 bedrooms, 1 bedrooms. And they say it's going to be done by the end of the year. I don't think it's going to be done by the end of the year.
Yeah, like a lot more.
Because they haven't even like got the detour ready yet. So, but you see, they're starting. I don't know if you saw they tore down the was that the Chili's over there?
Two things that came down over by the BJ. So in front of the BJ's, they took down the Applebee's. And also there was like a dental office, like a Bright Stars dental office. So both of those buildings have now been collapsed.
Yep.
So they're getting to work. They are starting. So just anticipate that the construction traffic and the pace of the construction will pick up over the summer.
Yeah. And then the other thing is I talked to Victor Angry.
Yeah.
A little bit about like that's his where he represents.
The county supervisor, yeah.
Yeah, about like what things are coming, right? And he said, that's the question he's been asking everyone. Like, what types of things do you want to see over in the courts? What type of commercial things? So I got a list of some things.
I know what I want to see.
So what do you want to see?
Listen, give us a great American restaurant. Man. We just need a really good restaurant. Don't get me wrong, I'm excited about Cooper Hall. That's going to be
good. That's over in Stormwater.
I know, but this is close. But I still want a great American restaurant. Just a little bit more local, regional fare. I love the brands, the big national ones, but we can do a little less of that. So that's my only ask. I got one ask. That's it.
Yeah. So I think Mike's, Coastal Flats, Sweetwaters, any of those will really work really well over there. People always like, people are gonna hood it up, we'll Woodbridge it up. Ain't nobody gonna hood that up. Like that's gonna be a place that's gonna be completely awesome. I say like a dope bar or a live lounge for music. It would be pretty cool. A place where you come and have some wine, listen to some live music, and like a small intimate setting would be great. Yeah. What about like a high-end steakhouse?
Yeah, I think a great steakhouse would be amazing for it. Yeah, we need one of those.
A really high-end steakhouse would be really good. Sushi bar. I like sushi. You know what I'm saying? Something you could just like dip in and like have some sushi would be really cool.
I like that.
What do you think about like a co-working space?
Yeah, I think a good co-working space could definitely work in that area. I think it'd be perfect.
Yeah, because the thing about the brickyard, which is okay, like you can't walk to anything in a brickyard.
Yeah.
Right. So if you have a co-working space over in the courts, I think that'll work well because that will like feed off the energy of all the new things that are coming over there.
Yeah, I agree with that. I think that'd be great.
And then the last two things I love, juice. So a juicery and like a coffee. You have to have like a coffee house.
Yeah, you gotta be a coffee shop. Like a juicery. I think even like some good like healthy food choices, like some of these little salad places,
sweet greens,
that'd be great.
So what we want you guys to do is we will tag some of our county reps and we want you to put in the comments what you would like to see over there.
Yeah.
Because it's their job to recruit those people, right? And there's so many people who like complain about things after the fact. Yeah. Right? They're like, oh, I wish, like over on Holy Road, like when Chipotle came, some people were happy and some people like, oh, I wanted something different, but they never like went to their county supervisor, never went to any board chairs or never like talked about the things that they wanted before they made these decisions. So you got an opportunity. Like, I ain't saying it's going to come, but I am saying that they're listening and I'm saying that they're asking. So why not like at least voice your opinion?
Gotta at least participate.
Right. So I think they're up to about 100 homes sold.
Yep.
So about 10%. So they still got a long way to go with the residential. This will probably be a good opportunity to go over there and kind of talk. If you guys are interested in anything Quartz District or around the Quartz District or any other new communities or just buying or selling in the area, commercial, residential, investment, give us a call. This is what we do.
You have the dream.
We have the address.
See you soon.
See you soon.